Hello, this is Wen Yao Cheng demonstrating Enhancement 5. Now if we go to the Add Category page and then first validate the HTML, it's green, and then we'll verify the CSS, it's also good. Now if we don't put in a name for the category and try to click Add Category, the server side validation will give us an error message. And if we turn that down, you see here the server actually provides the error message and tell us to input something. And so I'm going to do rope 5 to add category. And you see rope 5 appears here. Now if we go to the add product and then validate the HTML, it's green. Now I'm going to put in and then the description. So good, and then price. Let's do 1, 1, 2, 2, and then for location, we'll say home, vendor, vendor 1, style, cool. And you see I didn't select a category, and so if I do an add product, it asks me to fill all the fields. So I'm going to select one, and now I'm actually going to delete one of the field, and then try, and then it says please fill all the field. And then if we turn down the validation for the client side, then the server side kicks in and asks us to provide something. So I'm just going to put it back, add product, and then thanks for adding a new product. Yep, that concludes my Enhancement 5 video. Thank you for watching.